touch points are the places where your leads, your prospects and your clients interact with your brand. But there's a couple of things actually that first we need to discuss before I talk about touch points, and that is the difference between a touch point and a channel. A touch point is how you are going to interact with your particular lead, prospect or client. It's the impact that they receive that actually affects their decision about you. So for example, you may have a prospect that reads a product review about you, or they receive a quote or invoice from you, or they actually communicate with a company representative. That is a touch point. The second part of a touch point is something called a channel, and this is where that interaction actually takes place. So if you think about those examples, the first one being the product review that they've read, that review is something that they could have read either on your website or they have gone to an independent review site. The quote or the invoice, the channel that they may have received that through would be an email, and the communication with your company representative could actually be through a chat box online. So the key here for us is when we're building out your nurture journey strategy is we need to, number one, look at your touch points, and number two, consider the channels that are going to be best used for those touch points to be effective. Now, if you're in a position where you've not got a nurture journey strategy as part of your marketing, from lead generation right through to conversion, then please complete the box below so that one of my team can get in contact with you, or alternatively, review us on www.yourmarketingmachines.com.au and let us help you become successful.